When your heat is out and you can see your breath, who do you call? Who do you trust? For more than 60 years, Laird and Son have been providing furnace sales and service with 24-hour emergency heating repair. A uniformed Laird and Son technician will come to your door and provide consultation on how to improve your comfort. For over 3 generations, Laird and Son has stayed true to its founding principle, making sure that every customer is completely satisfied. We are Canada's oldest independent dealer for Lennox products and parts. Our certified technicians are experts in furnace repairs and installations. Call us today for a free estimate. We will gladly dispatch an expert technician to your home. Thank you for choosing Laird and Son.